us on a breathtaking journey through the heart of Sri Lanka, where nature reveals its untouched beauty. From the cascading waterfalls hidden deep in lush green forests to the timeless traditions of the island's indigenous people, this travel documentary captures the soul of a land rich in wonder and heritage. Experience the rhythm of the wild, the serenity of ancient landscapes, and the stories of those who have lived in harmony with nature for generations. If you love exploring the unseen and the unforgettable, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Ananthaya, and travel beyond the ordinary with us. 18 curves, 18 chances to look fear in the face and fall in love with the mountains. This is 18 Wangawa, a winding road carved into the heart of the Knuckles, where every bend holds a secret and every turn steals your breath, one after the other. The road twists like a serpent, climbing through mists, through silence, through ancient forest. To drive here is not just a journey, it is a test of nerves, of patience, of wonder. Far from the noise of the world, deep in the heart of Hasalaka, something timeless awaits. They call it Rathna Ella, the gem. Waterfall, a name carved by nature and whispered by the wind over 100 meters tall. She falls like a silver thread from the sky, graceful eternal. This is no tourist attraction, no crowded path, just forest mist, and the quiet breath of earth to find her. You walk the way of the villagers, through paddy fields fed by her waters, through jungle trails that remember ancient footsteps. Every drop here nourishes life, fields grow, rivers run, families thrive, because Rathna Ella flows. She's not just water, she's history, she's spirit, she's a guardian of the land. And when you finally stand before her, you understand why they call her a gem, why they never let her go. This is Rathna Ella, Sri Lanka's hidden treasure, eternal, untamed, unforgettable. She lies at the edge of the Knuckles mountain range, a place where clouds touch earth and rivers are born. This forest is ancient, a living library of trees, medicinal plants, and untold secrets. The canopy breathes life into the land, feeding the Hasalaka, Oya, which flows into rivers that nourish entire regions below. Rathna Ella is more than beautiful, she is essential. Her waters are part of a delicate system that sustains biodiversity and balances the local climate. Birdsong echoes through these trees. Rare species hide in the shadows and orchids bloom where no one walks to the people here. This is not just wilderness, it is protection, it is home, it is sacred. Rathna Ella stands at the heart of it, a guardian, a giver. A silent architect of life, she carves the valley, feeds the roots, and watches the skies. This waterfall is not just water. She is the pulse of the forest, the whisper of the hills, the breath of Hasalaka. In the heart of Sri Lanka's dry zone, hidden between the misty hills of Mahiyanganaya, lies a village where time has gently slowed. This is Dambana, home to Sri Lanka's first people, the Vedas. Known as the Wanniya or Vedda village, this is not just a place, it's a living legacy, a fragile echo of an ancient civilization, still whispering through the forests, caves, and firelit stories passed down through generations. How do you find food? We find food in the forest and also through farming. We grow crops like kurakan, sesame, green beans, different kinds of seeds, and potatoes. Do you still hunt? No, hunting is illegal now. Instead, we make handmade items and sell them to the visitors who come to see us. How do you prepare your meals? Do you eat them raw or cooked? Sometimes we eat raw food, sometimes we cook. Why don't we see any Aboriginal women around? They usually stay inside. It's part of our culture. Just like your women follow certain customs, ours do too. What about elephants? Are they a threat to your life? Yes, they do come into the village sometimes. Aren't you scared? No, we've seen elephants since we were children. We're used to them. Are your children getting an education? How do they learn things? Yes, they go to school. They're getting socialized and even attend the same schools as your children. For thousands of years, the Vedda people lived in harmony with the wild, hunting, gathering, and moving with the rhythms of nature. Their world was one of deep respect for the forest, for the spirits of their ancestors, and for every creature they shared this land with. But today, the hunt is over. Hunting, once their way of life, is now forbidden by law. Instead, the Vedda people have turned to new ways of surviving, farming the land, making crafts by hand, and sharing their story with those who visit. In Dambana, you'll find elders who still speak the Vedda language, a rare and fading dialect unlike Sinhala or Tamil. You'll see handmade bows, flint tools, and ancient dance rituals that have survived centuries of change. Women are rarely seen in public here. It's not secrecy, it's culture, a deep-rooted tradition where roles are preserved with quiet dignity. And though modern life presses in from every direction, the people of Dambana are trying fiercely to hold on. Their children now go to school. They learn math and science, but they also learn the stories of their forest. They walk two paths, the ancient and the modern. And then there are the elephants, uninvited visitors, powerful and unpredictable. To most, they are a danger, but to the Vedda people, they are old neighbors, familiar, respected, feared, but not hated. Here in Dambana, life is simple, but not easy. It is peaceful, but not untouched. The forest is shrinking, the world is changing, and yet the spirit of the Vedas endures, proud, patient, and deeply connected to the land they call home. This is not just a village, it is a living museum, a sacred reminder of where we all come from. Before cities, before roads, before history was even written, this is Dambana Vedda Gamanaya. In the heart of Sri Lanka, where the mighty Mahaweli flows, silence stirs beneath the ancient canopy. Out of the shadows he appears, an elephant, alone, yet not lost. Each step, a whisper of strength, a journey written by instinct and the call of the wild. Through forest and river bend, he moves with purpose. And then he finds them, his kind, his family, gathered at the river's edge where time slows and life flows free. The great Mahaweli embraces them all as they swim, play, and reconnect, just as nature intended. This is not just a scene, it is a moment, raw, beautiful, eternal. As our journey through this beautiful landscape comes to an end, we reflect on the unforgettable moments we've shared, from the power of the waterfalls to the deep-rooted traditions of the Aboriginal village, and the quiet beauty of village life that still thrives with simplicity and grace. This is just a glimpse of the soul of Sri Lanka, an island of endless wonder. Sri Lanka is more than just a destination. It's a land of rich heritage, diverse landscapes, and some of the friendliest people you'll ever meet. From its golden beaches to misty mountains, ancient ruins to vibrant villages, Sri Lanka is a place that welcomes you with open arms and a warm smile. Tourism is at the heart of this country, and every traveler who visits becomes a part of its living story. The beauty here isn't just in the places, it's in the people, the culture, and the heartfelt hospitality that stays with you long after you've returned home. If this journey touched your heart, there's so much more waiting to be discovered. As our journey comes to a close, we leave behind the rhythmic echoes of cascading waterfalls, the timeless wisdom of the Aboriginal village, and the simple, breathtaking charm of a village untouched by time. Every step we took, every frame we captured, was a reminder of how much beauty and history lies hidden in the heart of nature and the lives of its people. These aren't just places on a map. They're stories waiting to be told, whispers of ancient ways, and quiet reminders of how connected we all truly are. We hope this video helped you see the world a little differently and inspired you to keep exploring, keep learning, and keep appreciating the wonders around us. If you enjoyed this journey, we invite you to join us on many more adventures. Subscribe to Ananthaya, where we travel beyond the ordinary through landscapes, cultures, and forgotten histories. Let's keep discovering the infinite beauty of our world together. Until next time, safe travels, and thank you for being part of our journey. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Ananthaya, where we bring you closer to the soul of Sri Lanka and beyond. Travel with us through timeless ruins, hidden waterfalls, sacred temples, ancient stories, and the everyday beauty of life in remote corners of the world. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Until we meet again, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and remember, the journey never truly ends.